All right, welcome back to the 11-foot kayak 2.0. I'm going to start off with some 3-inch sides, and you can't really bend in 3-inch, so what I'm going to do is put a couple of straight pieces on, or I'll just put this one on for today. And the thing I want to tell you is make sure that you have a bend in this before you start gluing the pieces. So when you glue the pieces and with the bend in it like that, it'll keep the memory. So here we go. Let's put this one on. And sometimes you might want to mark it so you don't put excess glue anywhere. So here, I'm only going to go to here. Because when this glue dries, it makes a big old crunchy spot. You don't want to have to. Probably would be a good idea to mark the thickness too all the way down. So you don't color outside the line. Oops. Need a new crayon. For a little extra weight. Yes. See there? Colored outside the line. Colored. I glued outside the line. Didn't mean to glue outside the line. There we go. Little tiny clamps. Yay for tiny clamps. Whatever size clamps you got, use them. Not pointing. If you don't have a pointy end, it just knocks a big plug out of it. Look, camera's just about to run out, so if I don't say goodbye to you guys. Oh, it's still going. Good. If I don't say goodbye to you guys, it's just because I ran out of battery. That's my thing. That's my jam. I run out of battery all the time. This is where this piece is a little bit wider, so I'm just going to follow with this piece here. tomorrow we'll do the same thing. Be better if you had little pieces of wood to put this on, top and bottom, but I wasn't prepared for that, so it is what it is, and we'll be all right. All right, so there we go with that. We're gonna put it way back there. Let's let that set overnight and let that dry, and then see, we'll have our nice curve in it like that, and help it, you know, just like when you're going over a little light chop or a little wave or something like that with the front kind of curved up like that. I guess it's called rake or something, I don't really know, but I'm not a boat builder. I'm just a hobbyist doing stuff to keep myself occupied. So anyway, make sure you got that little rake in there. If you don't have it, it's not a big deal. I think it'll still work just fine. My 8-foot dinghy did like that. It didn't have a bow in it. It did just fine. All right, hit that like button. Thank y'all very much for watching. I super appreciate it.